Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into Cursor AI and picking a workspace so your work stays organized. Once signed in, create a new project and name it clearly. This makes iteration faster. Upload one sample dataset or paste a representative prompt so the system knows the format you expect. While you set permissions, decide whether collaborators can edit. These first actions let Cursor infer structure and suggest components, which speeds the no-code flow without wasting time on trivial settings. Now you build the execution flow by dragging an input node, a model node, and any formatter or connector you need. Connect them visually. The order defines the data path. Configure model parameters, temperature, max tokens, and attach your API key securely so responses match desired creativity and length. Once done, run a single test through the chain and inspect outputs at each node. Making small adjustments iteratively prevents cascading errors and clarifies how each block transforms data. Finish by deploying an endpoint or embedding the widget into your app. Set rate limits and access controls so usage stays predictable. Monitor live logs and user examples to refine prompts and formatting rules. This improves reliability over time. If something breaks, isolate the failing node, replay the sample input, and inspect error details, often a misformatted payload or tight token limit. Make incremental changes, redeploy, and retest. That cycle keeps the no-code build stable and production-ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.